Okay. So when I started off my career right after college, ever since I joined the workforce, I've always been hearing talks on saying how difficult it is for women to, come back to work after their pregnancy. And, there were talks going on around me. I had some life examples around me ever since I started off with my career. But the whole problem with me was I did not quite understand what they were trying to say was difficult to get back to work. So, but I have always been a career oriented person, and then I was very sure that I will not let anything disturb my career. And, I never even could imagine a path in my life where I would not align towards my career or have to, stop working or things like that. So till the day of my delivery, I was working. So I did not take even one day of maternity leave before, the delivery happened. I was able to work all through my pregnancy very comfortably. And, I was even continuously asking tips from other people on to trying to understand what it is that can probably stop me to get back to work. But nothing prepared me for what actually happened when I came back after my maternity break of 3 months. So when I came back after my break, I finally was able to realize what exactly was stated as the problem by everybody else. So till I actually experienced it, it was very difficult for me to understand what makes it difficult for women to come back to work or what are the challenges that are being faced. So even for a while, after immediately coming back, even I was not able to articulate it enough to inform my support system that this is the support that I'm expecting from people either at work or at home. So it took a while even for me to come to terms with it and help articulate it better to my surroundings so that they could help me continue my career. So things like the mom guilt, regardless of how much you hear about it from people, till you actually experience the guilt yourself, you will not be able to understand what they're talking about, or you explain what kind of support would help you ease that guilt and help you get back to work easier. I was privileged enough to have a proper support system, both at home and in my office. The problem was there was a lack of system already in place. So I had to be forthcoming in asking for the help that I required from my workplace. Once I asked, I got it, but it would definitely be helpful if there had been a support system already existing, which would have helped me ease back into my work easily. So the lack of it forced me to take a longer break and then find out the solutions or find out how people around me can help me and support me. And then I had to get back to work and ask for the support to help my career go smoothly.